To all of you who doubted me, for all of you who disrespected me and rejected me, thank you. You are the reason I am here. Every time I feel like quitting, I remember you, and I keep going. Every time it is hard, I remember you, and I keep going. Every time I win, I remember you. So keep doubting me. I use your hate as fuel to my fire, and you can bet that fire will be burning for a long time to come.
The difference is not one thing, it's everything. The difference lies in my desire. The difference is in my relentless work ethic. It's in my sacrifice. In my dreams. Dreams so big, they scare small minds. The greatest dreams are always called unrealistic by those with no ambition. The difference lies in the extra little details, the extra mile, the extra rep, the extra set, the extra hour of work, the extra whatever it takes to get where I belong. The difference lies in my sacrifice. Others won't sacrifice like me. They aren't sacrificing their precious time for a future payoff. They aren't growing, learning, and pushing forward like me. And that is the difference. I don't care what opinions the world has for my safe little future. I do what I believe is best for me. The difference lies in my response to failure. I know most will give up. I know most will cave in. I know most won't stick it out, but I do. And that is the difference. Success is what comes after you have survived all your failures. You have to fight through the bad days so you can earn the best days of your life. Success is what happens when you stick it out, grind it out, and show the character of a winner, the character of a champion. The difference lies in my attitude. I know most just want to get through the day, get through this task, get through this job. It doesn't matter what I do. I do it to the best of my ability. I do it with pride, knowing that nothing goes unnoticed. The man who does more than he is paid will always be paid for more than he does. The difference is in my wanting it more. The difference is in my willingness to risk it all for a dream only I can see. I know most will hesitate. Most will toss and turn, fumble and fall, but not me. I'm all in. If I am in, I'm all in. Every time, 100%. The greatest risk in life is not taking any risk. I know that is the truth, and that is the difference. The difference lies in my persistence. I know most will plant their seed, then give up moments before the seed grows into greatness. I don't give up. I never give up, and that is the difference. The difference lies in my work. The difference lies in my grind. I'm not afraid of work. I'm not afraid of putting in the hours, because I know each hour, each quality working minute is bringing me one step closer to my dream, one step closer to greatness. I will work some more, and I will win. The difference lies in my vision. They will always say it is impossible until it is done. I will make certain I get the job done. The difference isn't